Greetings. The timer is the heart of any real-time system. In this presentation, I will explain you how to program the timer. So I taken the example of a voice processing function in the mobile phone. Take an example of a person making a voice call from mobile A to mobile B. So here voice samples are taken at a rate of 64 kilobits per second. That is 8 kilohertz sampling frequency into 8 bits per sample. So 64 kilobits per sample. The voice is compressed by the software in the mobile and transmitted over the air. Because the bandwidth here is much less than the 64 kilobits per second, we have to compress the voice. Now, there are various voice compression algorithms are available. For this example, I have taken full rate voice compression algorithm. The full rate voice compression algorithm works on every 20 millisecond period. So the mobile AI needs to take samples at every 20 millisecond, process it and transmit it over the air. So in order to activate our firmware software in mobile A for every 20 millisecond, we need to use the timer. So for this example, I have taken a timer from a Texas Instrument DSP processor. The input clock to the timer is 1 kilohertz. So in time it is for every 1 millisecond one clock comes. And what we need is we need a timer interrupt for every 20 millisecond. So now I program the hardware register timer period register as 20. Now for each clock, this count will be incremented and it will be compared with the period register. So now after 20 clocks, this will become 20 and here 20 is there. So both are matches, so one timer interrupt will be generated. As soon as a interrupt is generated, the count again will be reset to 0. So like that you will get continuously for every 20 millisecond one timer interrupt will be generated. So now at the start of the timer interrupt, you activate your voice processing firmware or software. Then processing should end within this 20 millisecond because that next block of speech will come. So now this timer need not be continuously active. See, you can activate the timer when voice call starts and stop the timer when voice call ends. In order for that to start and stop the timer, there are other hardware registers available in the timer. See, I have taken a simple scenario of how to use the timer in the real-time system. There are various other scenarios. So here you take a mobile. So here on the air interface side at certain time period we have to do some functions. Instead of speech, if you process video, then the timings will be different. So for this example, I have taken the voice processing as an example. Thanks.